We'll do a Q&A. We have a great panel of experts when it comes to hardware and software and big data. So any questions for our panel? Let's hear them. People are hungry.
Professor Elkin, for the unsupervised topic learning for your search engine, which technique do you use, and why did you choose that one?
That's a specific technical question. The technique that we used in the prototype is called latent Dirichlet allocation, LDA, which is the standard technique. And we use a fast implementation of it. We wanted to build the prototype reusing existing software as much as possible. But the slide that I had about the need for better topic models, so we have our own improvement of LDA, which we call DCM LDA, and that's what Gabe Doyle worked on, and we published a paper a few years ago, and now we want to use that for the topic model, for the topic model that we use for the search engine. And the specific advantage is that you can get a better fit to the data with a smaller number of topics. So we can show topics that are more meaningful in the sense that they cover the data better, and the humans don't have to understand and implicitly learn about so many different topics.
All right, and Phil has a question.
So my questions, unfortunately, are sort of boring administrative ones, but I mean, a lot of you spoke about effectively solutions, looking for a problem in a sense, and I'm just wondering how we can do better at matching the problem space to the solution space beyond this kind of meeting. I mean, this is really a subject for the end of the day, but I mean, it just seems that there's a lot going on that, I think people wouldn't even be aware of until today.
I'll give one answer, and Ramesh Rao will be on after lunch. Qualcomm Institute CalIT2 gives out grants. Ramesh actually uses the gift money he gets in and puts it through a granting operation that people put, faculty basically, put in small proposals that give them perhaps a graduate student, but also access to facilities and support at the Qualcomm Institute facilities. And these are ways that get people working together, usually for the first time, have deliverables. The whole idea is to get started so then you can, in fact, have a bigger grant proposal based on the successful results. So there should be more of that, I think.
Any other questions? Now's your chance. We have one up here.
Yeah, I had a question here regarding the big displays by Tom. So I just wanted to know that is there a way to just get rid of those long black edges at the middle of the multiple displays, or is there any custom design, just smaller displays for just doing that?
Well, the bezels have been getting smaller and smaller and smaller. They may go away with the OLED, fully organic LED displays, as soon as somebody in the Far East decides that there's a marketing advantage to it. They don't really get in the way unless you're really trying to see cinema. They've gotten much better. You can get rid of the seams with projectors, but that brings up another whole series of nightmares.